Hi, good morning, good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel python.trainer.helper. Today I am going to share one motivational video to all of you about one of my students who got the job during our third year BTech after taking the Python Fullstack training program from me. Let's go to the details. Before going to the details, one small information to all of you. Most of the viewers of my YouTube videos are non-subscribers. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel python.trainer.helper. Also please click on the bell icon to notify yourself about my upcoming videos. Coming to details, one of my student, her name is Ritika. She is currently studying third year BTech and she is from batch number 59. She recently shared the information to me that she got the internship job from Hyderabad Dell company. And the daily class recordings of Python full stack training program are helped a lot for her to get the job in Dell company. She was very happy to share this information to me, and I was also very happy and I congratulated her. And my clear observation on this particular student was she couldn't able to join the classes on regular basis because her college time is totally conflicting with the class timings. But she did not disappointed yet. She motivated herself and she could able to watch the daily class recording videos once she comes from a college on regular basis, and she could able to cover all the topics. Also she programmed a lot on the Python code, all the assignments, all the weekly tests she could able to complete it within the time, and that is the key point I believe how she got the job during her third year BTech itself. In this context, I am repeating again, the code practice is one of the key factor to get the Python full stack jobs. I wish all the best to my current batch students, and of course, I am 100% sure they will get the job soon. Thank you very much.